All right, here's a video of it installed. This is the 10,000 BTU unit with heat and AC, by the way. So since the roof is so thin, there's a gap which is filled in with the foam that they provide. See it on the sides here. And this is the support a lot of people asked about. It's a 3 inch by 3/4 inch piece of lumber, which I doubled in the middle. I'm gonna put some short screws in it, not through the top, just here. And now I'm going to turn it on so we can hear the action. Takes a second. It's super quiet. So it's powering up. I'm not going to be running it for too long because I'm running it off my house battery. But I know it'll run on low mode for a little while off the house battery, but I don't want to do that. So when I checked the temperature earlier of the air coming out, it was about 61 degrees. And there it is. I will be doing another video once I get the 300 amp hour LifeBow battery. Let's see how it looks outside. Pretty quiet.